Meaning of drop kick.
Drop kick.
Drop kick.
Drop kick.
Drop kick. A drop kick is a type of kick used in various sports, including football and rugby. It involves dropping the ball onto the ground and then kicking it as it bounces up. The result of a successful drop kick varies depending on the sport. In American football, a drop kick can be used to score a field goal or an extra point. In rugby, a drop kick can be used to score a goal or restart play after a score. A well-executed drop kick can result in a valuable score for the team performing it.